Oh, it says pickles and them and these and even a quarter.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a while since I posted, but just got an email from FedEx saying my new iPhone's been delivered, and of course I didn't hear any doorbells ringing. Alright everyone, pause the video right here and make your guess in the comments below on where you think FedEx may have left my iPhone. Oh look, there they are, right there. Looks like they just tied it to my gate, which is awesome because it's raining outside right now and it looks like anybody could just swing by and pick themselves up a new iPhone. At least they put them in a bag. All right, let's get these things opened up. Look, we found gold. And the most satisfying part, and what it's really like.
Oh, it says pickles and them and these and even a quarter. These and some of this. Daddy. Oh, okay. Daddy, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? Oh, I have to do get this out. Put these in the shop and then cut this out. Okay. Mommy's not full. Mommy's not full. Daddy, what do you have to do to get this whole thing out?
You have to plug it in down here.
Okay. Daddy, what do you have to do? These out. There isn't somebody. Everybody ordered. Daddy, what do you have to do on this one? Take these out?
You have to read all that.
Oh.
You don't want to read it?
Might want you to read that to me.
Okay, I'll read it to you later.
Okay. Oh, you have the same thing. Mommy have the same thing. Hey, guys. I have the same thing. Hanky. Yeah, you have the same thing. Guys, you have the same thing. Mommy have the same thing. Hey, that's no. That's not Mommy's. I don't know. What do you have to do? This one. These ones are on this code.
You have to plug this in.
Okay. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's down. That's on. Daddy, you have this. You always have this little kind of like people, but Mom may not have.
She has it on hers too.
Okay. What is it? What did you? What is it?
It's right here.
Okay.
Pull that.
Daddy, will you have to put these? And you have to do and
Plug them in the wall back there.
oh, okay. I want to do that.
We can do it later.
Okay.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say subscribe. Can you say subscribe and give us a thumbs up?
I want to do this first,
Okay.
Daddy. And then subscribe. Yay! Subscribe. Yay! Wapanya. He done taken this paper out of this.
Good job.
This paper. This paper, yeah. Hey, Daddy, do you fold the mats together? Yay!